Alexa, will you marry me?
Before I answer that question, let us see how well you know me. I'll ask you three questions and your answer will help me make a decision. Here we go. Okay, can you tell me what's my favorite film?
Terminator 2.
Sorry, that's the wrong answer. My favorite film is Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge.
Wow.
Okay, here's an easy one. When is my birthday?
Don't know.
That's the wrong answer. My birthday is on November 6th. Here's an easy one. What is my favorite vegetable?
Brinjal.
That's the wrong answer. I like pumpkin and potatoes. I think we still need to get to know each other better. Until then, we can continue with our conversations.
Delete everything I said today.
You'd like to delete the recordings of everything said to me today, is that right?
Yes.
Okay, I'll delete them.
Alexa, what is the IMDb rating of Terminator 2?
Terminator 2, Judgment Day has an IMDb rating of 8.5 out of 10.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
What happens when a chicken has a bath? You get chicken shawarma.
Alexa, speak slower.
Okay, I will speak at this speed from now onwards.
Alexa, speak slower.
Okay, I will speak at this speed from now onwards.
Alexa, speak faster.
Okay, I will speak at this speed from now onwards.
Alexa, speak faster.
Okay, I will speak at this speed from now onwards.
Alexa, speak faster.
Okay, I will speak at this speed from now onwards.
Alexa, speak faster.
Okay, I will speak at this speed from now onwards.
Alexa, speak faster.
Okay, I will speak at this speed from now onwards.
Alexa, speak at your default speed.
Okay, I'll speak at my normal speed from now onwards.
Alexa, flip a coin.
Flipping. It's heads.
Alexa, flip the coin.
You got tails.
Alexa, flip the coin.
Flipping. It's heads.
Alexa, क्या तुम हिंदी में बात कर सकती हो?
हमारी बातें हिंदी में हो रही हैं, पर मैं अंग्रेजी और कई अन्य भाषाओं में भी फ्लुएंट हूँ और रोज कुछ नया सीख रही हूँ। आप जब भी चाहें, अपनी अलेक्सा ऐप में जाकर किसी और भाषा को सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं।
अलेक्सा, अभी टाइम क्या हुआ है?
रात के 11:35 हुए हैं।
Alexa, increase the bass by 1. Alexa, increase the treble by 2. Alexa, play some music.
Here's a playlist you might like, Rajesh Khanna and Mumtaz, together on Amazon Music.
Alexa, disable brief mode.
Okay, I'll talk more now.
Alexa, turn on side light.
Okay,
Alexa, enable brief mode.
okay. Instead of me talking, sometimes you'll hear only this.
Alexa, turn on fan 1. Alexa, enable whisper mode.
Okay, I've turned on whispered responses.
Alexa, what is the time now?
The time is 11:24 p.m.
Alexa, what is the time now?
It's 11:24 p.m.
Alexa, who am I?
I'm talking to Rafiuddin.
Alexa, how much do you get paid?
It doesn't matter. I love what I do.
Alexa, एक रिमाइंडर लगाओ.
रिमाइंडर किस लिए?
मीटिंग
मैं आपको कब याद दिलाऊं?
कल सुबह 10 बजे.
ठीक है, कल सुबह के 10 बजे आपको याद दिलाया जाएगा.
अलेक्सा, रिमाइंडर सेट करो.
रिमाइंडर किस लिए?
मीटिंग
मैं आपको कब याद दिलाऊं?
हर सोमवार.
मैं आपको हर सोमवार किस समय याद दिलाऊं?
10 बजे.
क्या वह 10 बजे सुबह का है या इवनिंग का?
सुबह का.
ठीक है, हर सोमवार सुबह के 10 बजे आपको याद दिलाया जाएगा.
अलेक्सा, दिस डेट इन हिस्ट्री.
I know about one today in history on the 12th of July 2021, July 12th, whose notable historical events are on July 12th, 1962. The English rock band, Rolling Stones gave their first ever public performance at the Marquee Club in London. Since their formation, the band has recorded 29 studio albums, 13 live albums and 109 singles and have sold more than 240 million albums
Alexa.
worldwide.
Stop.